Show in the camera. Show in the camera. This is Batman. Don't do like that, show into the camera.
Hi everyone, today we're gonna open everything. Spider-Man, 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 Spider-Man. Look at Spider-Man. Spider-Man is here.
Next one.
Batman from Robin. Look at Batman.
Remove those boxes from there. Here in front of you. Huy. Remove there. Show in the camera. Show in the camera. This is Batman. Don't do like that, show into the camera.
Ooh, Batman. Batman can have a seat.
It's okay. Show it to the camera. Like that, like that. The whole one. And then align there. Align. Fix them. Fix two of them. Fix them well. Fix them well in front. Like that.
Now Superman. Superman! Superman! Where is Superman? Look at Superman. He's like running like a Superman, Superman.
Show it to the camera. Okay, and then put them in align them all. Fix them all in front. Fix them all. Remove all the boxes there and then throw on the side. Put them all on the side. Yeah, put them all on the side. Enough.
It will go on top.
Enough. Yeah.
This will go on top.
No, it will not go on top.
This will go on the tissue. And this will go on top of Batman. And
Fix them well. Fix
here's all the 3D characters.
And then thumbs up.
Please share and like the video. Bye.